fasting beast. Do you feel like you behind, you behind in life? Actually, you're not behind. It's just that you compare yourself with the other persons. You compare yourself with the person next to you. You compare yourself with the person that you see at the gym. You compare yourself with the person that you see at your job. So instead of comparing yourself with the other persons, you need to compare yourself with the you from yesterday. And you need to know that we got different timelines. So a lot of people succeed in life, or they get the results when it's time. Do not try to rush the process. Do not try to succeed fast. It will come to you when it's time. You need to put the work. Just like I said before, life is about preparation, meaning opportunity. When the opportunity comes, you're gonna be ready. And that's why you need to prepare yourself every single day. Every single day you need to try, because one of these days is gonna be your lucky day. And when your lucky day comes, you're gonna shine. So stop trying to rush success. Success will come. So all you need to do is be prepared. Work on yourself every day. Work on your mind every day. Work on your skills every day. You need to work on your skills so you can be valuable enough to start making money. I am the fasting beast.